If your Cash App transaction is declined for your protection, it's likely due to security measures designed to protect your account from unauthorized or suspicious activity. Here's how you can resolve it. Verify account information. Ensure that the information associated with your Cash App account, such as your name, address, and banking details, is accurate and up to date. Incorrect information can trigger security checks. Contact Cash App support. If your transaction is declined, Cash App may provide you with instructions on how to resolve the issue. Contact Cash App support through the app or website for assistance. Check for fraudulent activity. Review your account for any signs of unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. If you suspect fraudulent activity, report it to Cash App immediately. Verify identity. Cash App may request additional verification to confirm your identity and protect your account. Follow the instructions provided by Cash App to complete the verification process. Wait and try again. In some cases, transactions are declined temporarily for security reasons. Wait for a period of time and then try the transaction again.